Updating your billing information with US Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select billing information. In account settings, look for an option labeled billing information or payment methods. Click on this option to proceed to update your details. Step 4. Update your information. Enter your new billing information such as your address, phone number, or payment method. Make sure to double check for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, look for a Save or Submit button. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. Make sure to log out of your account after completing the update for security purposes. Keeping your billing information up to date helps avoid any disruptions in service.